Silly. I was told I can hit the rev limiter. If you like the Nürburgring, and assuming you do because you clicked on this video, go to nürburgring.com where you can find all kinds of Nürburgring licensed products co-designed by me, ranging from socks to official Nürburgring 360 roadbook co-written by me, and even Christmas sweaters, including kids collection, and many more Nürburgring licensed products to come. So go to nürburgring.com, which stands for Nürburgring Embassy, and become our brand ambassador. Big wing. Well, not too big, but it fits within the silhouette, so that's good. But massive arches. For once, I'm actually doing the intro before going on a track. Have you been on track already?
Yeah, I've done 4 laps.
Oh, okay. So marshals are happy with the dimensions of the car.
Yeah.
Because this is like, it's wide. It's proper like BTCC, WTCR, whatever you want to call it car. Wing, does it have a splitter? Sort of. Some TRC something.
I think it's more of a style look rather than an actual performance.
Yeah. It's. I mean, I've driven in like recently a few cars with a wing, but no splitter on and especially front-wheel driven cars. Then it's like kind of like makes them more understeery. Of course, the back is more settled. But regardless, run us through the specs.
So it's 2-litre TFSI, shares the same engine as the majority of the VAG group cars at this age. 375 brake, 410 foot-pound of torque. It's got it's all stage 2 plus, RS4 return valve, hybrid anti-surge core, mapped by Artec. So they've this has actually got the motorsport map. Okay. So you got flat foot shifting, lift shift, like
nice. Rev match on downshifts?
No.
Okay, that's the only thing then.
Yes. If you leave the traction control on.
No, I won't.
You get a lot of DSG verbals when it's not DSG, so I would switch it off, but you'll just start hitting the limiter all the time.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, very cool. Looks spicy. Yeah.
6 month build. It was box standard 6 months ago.
Nice. What pads are you on?
Yellow stuff.
Yellow stuff.
Yellow stuff. I'll be honest. When I did my spicy lap yesterday, I built a little bit more confidence. Got the tyres warm. Yeah. Towards the end, I was like, because I did the GP circuit. And the pedal went walkies. Yeah. I didn't know Franz Hermann was British, but I mean, here we are. Definitely don't drive like.
No. What suspension is it on?
Raceland Primo adjustable.
Never heard of it, but I'm sure it does.
It's exactly what it says on the tin. Unfortunately, a little bit too soft for the car. So carousel,
it rubs
the tyre a little bit.
Okay.
We've cut about 2 inches out of all of the arches, so there was a little bit of play. But BC's next year. Nice. Four-wheel drive conversion next year as well.
Well, for the further questions, send Nathan a DM because I'm gonna hop in and do a lap. But yeah, I'm excited for it. I expect the car indeed to be probably soft and with the power that it's running. NS2Rs, great tire, but yeah, you probably would want to go somewhere towards Air 1/CRS. And brake pads, we're just gonna take it easy. Let's go. Okay, so made it on the track, passed the vibe check of the marshals, because those fenders, but yeah, I mean the tires are not sticking out, so everything is off. I've been told that the car has like flat foot shifting and that kind of stuff. I mean, you probably heard it in the intro, so let's see what it does. I'm very skeptical about tire and brake setup and suspension probably too, so let's see. Yeah. Hello? Did I hit the cone? No, not yet, but there we go. And right. Nice. One tire fire, or both tire fire, I don't know, because woohoo! grip is going to be quite an issue. But power delivery is pretty insane so far. Let's see how long it will last. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's missing stickier tires. Come on. Needs a diff, stickier tires, bigger brakes. But they can eat the curbs because it's so soft. Silly, silly. Come on. Grip, grip, grip. Flat foot shifting works. That was a splitter or whatever. Top speed of 100 miles per hour exceeded. Are we gonna go back to the future now? I wonder. On the back maybe fell off. Oh look at that, it's Citroen M3. How is Citroen M3? Look at the badge. Oh! I just gotta go past it. Rev limiter, like on purpose, fully send it, and I think it's going to be good for stateside supercars. When I'm told I can do silly stuff, I'm going to be doing silly stuff. When I'm asked not to do silly stuff, I'm also going to comply. Fast medium behind us, or is it the same as we passed? I don't know. Rental car, watching out for it. We're wheel spinning, understeering in the corner, and a very fast corner. Usually we're going like around 160 there. I don't know what the speed was now. I don't know why I'm using clutch, because the car has flat foot shifting, but the engine management or like the heat management will keep up, because we're going uphill. Check engine light is on, but I was told that this is normal, so job. The back end is really stable, but yeah, you need suspension, brakes, tires. Brakes are actually not even that bad, but yeah. Alright, so there's an Ioniq 5N taxi behind us somewhere, so it could be fun maybe to wait for him and have some fun. And then I'll be also quiet for the rest of the lap. Cooling down, cooling down. That's a very cautious driver, which isn't bad, of course. But usually you see them go sideways everywhere. Let them go for a bit. And we go again. I've never seen Ioniq 5N drive this like this. Tank is almost empty. So, the verdict. I love the engine work because even with like lots of wheel spin, redlining because of the wheel spin and fast climb, didn't go into limp mode. It showed a bit of what's it called, check engine light, but that's about it. So the engine work is very good. The mapping, the ability to flat foot shift, all of that is fantastic. Everything else is okay, but frustrating that if it was good, suspension and tires / grape, so tires combination with LSD probably on the front because you have so much extra horsepower compared to stock. Because that's what did he say? 370. That's quite some. So it's really missing. LSD and grippier tires, and with that addition, of course, also stiffer suspension. And after that come also the brake pads / braking system. If that was there, it would be freaking weapon. And that's why it's a bit like, yeah, are you gonna cross the road, lady? Yeah, please. Yeah. So all combined, having said that, it's kind of love-hate relationship that I have now with this car, because the engine was super good. Everything else I knew in advance it was not going to be as good, but knowing if it would have been good, the car would be proper weapon. Yeah. So yeah, that's just honest thoughts, I guess, on this. yeah, I didn't hate it. I would say I kind of loved it because it was controllable. It was not undrivable. It was just, it couldn't put the power down, and that, yeah, it took away from the potential that the car has. So, oh, big cent. So, yeah, quite nice. I was happy. So, honestly, I hope you guys enjoyed the lap too. It's like I was surprised that Hyundai Taxi was going straight, not sideways, and really cautious. Again, every time I'm saying it could be that the passengers in a taxi are scared or feeling sick, and they ask like, yo, slow down a bit. So, could be that. But yeah. So yeah, it was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed as well. I definitely have. Ugh. Yeah, need to stretch myself. Whew. You're ready. Let's see what the day will bring us more. Stay tuned.